I don't know what it's going to look like for Thanksgiving because according to Lisette, the weather's going to be changing. We may get some rain on the way.
Yeah, it looks like as we head into late tomorrow and then Thursday and Friday, we will see the rain, even Saturday, but also warming up. And you already noticed that today it is a little warmer as compared to yesterday, and that trend will continue. So even warmer Thursday, Friday, and more humid. So yeah, our gorgeous fall-like days will be coming to an end. By tomorrow is when you'll notice a big difference. Also, the breeze is picking up, leading to hazardous beach and boating conditions, and the storm chance increasing, especially Thursday and Friday. Looking at the numbers right now, already 80 degrees in Coral Springs and Sunrise, 78 in Lauderhill, 83 in Weston, 81 in Southwest Ranches right now, 78 in Miami Gardens, 77 in Hialeah, 79 in Country Walk, 78 in Florida City, and also the upper 70s across the Keys. And when we look at the wind direction, that really tells a story because we have the wind off the ocean out of the east, and that does warm us up and bring back a little bit of that moisture, that humidity off the ocean. The wind already increasing 13 to 16 miles an hour. And as we head throughout the afternoon, our highs will be right around into the upper 70s. A few spots may hit 80. Going into the evening, the mid 70s, and then we will see those temperatures become more mild as we head in overnight. It won't be as cool as the past few nights. Here are those high level clouds that have been just stuck over us the past days or so, and we are going to see the future radar showing us that today it's looking mainly dry. But we go into your Wednesday and there's that wet weather that has been missing in action the past 2 days as we get into the evening tomorrow. So make sure you're staying tuned to Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer, because it looks like tomorrow around 6 p.m. there you see the showers around the Keys and parts of Broward and Dade County. Going into 8 p.m. there could be a few heavy downpours, and we are going to continue with that juicy, unsettled atmosphere with plenty of moisture surging from the south and a weak front, and that's going to likely last through Friday and possibly even into Saturday. So here's the deal. High pressure is sliding into the Atlantic. That northeast wind is increasing, gusts to 25, so small craft advisories are up, dangerous, high risk of rip currents. And we're also warming up with temperatures rising to around 80 degrees the next few days. Showers are turning starting tomorrow, but then we are seeing more storms in the forecast Thursday and Friday. And of course, it'll feel stickier because of that moisture. So as we get into your Wednesday tomorrow, 80 degrees, breezy mix of sun and clouds, showers and storms late in the day. Thursday is when our rain chance will be the highest, and there could be some heavy downpours and lightning and gusty winds on Thursday. Friday morning, we'll wake up to the low 70s, a chance for scattered showers, a couple of storms. We continue with a chance for passing storms Saturday, and then the rain chance goes down Sunday, especially next Monday.